What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Jeep Compass remote key fob. This Jeep Compass key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and if we take a look at the bottom of it, this is the slot that this emergency key just came out of. Then just below that, we see there's this kind of cutout, this little notch right here. What I'm going to do is take my key and put it in that notch. It only goes in about that far. Put my key in that notch, and then while keeping some pressure pushing the key in, I'm going to twist like I'm opening a lock. As I do that, you can see it starts to open the case. Then I'll kind of come over here, get my key over here, and same thing. Then once it's far enough apart, we can pull it the rest of the way apart with our hands like that. And in the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. And for this part, I'm going to grab a small screwdriver, or even something like with a point on it will work. We just want to be able to get down on the edge of the battery right here and pop it out of that little holder. Get our old battery out, then we'll grab our new replacement battery, and we want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. I'm going to tuck this edge in first. It's down here near this metal battery clip, so tuck that edge in first like that, and then snap the battery down into place. And then we can snap the two halves of the case back together. Make sure that's all the way snapped together. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.